The Pixel series has always struggled to match the raw performance of its competitors. While Google's Tensor chips have had some AI capabilities, they have fallen short in terms of power and efficiency. The latest Tensor showed some improvements, but it still had its flaws, causing battery issues for some Pixel 8 users. However, there is hope for the upcoming Pixel 9 series, as Google is rumored to be working with Samsung to manufacture the flagship Tensor G4. This new chip will be made using a more advanced version of the 4nm fan-out wafer-level packaging process, which should result in improved efficiency and packaging. Samsung's Exynos 2400, which uses a similar fabrication method, has already shown better performance and heat dissipation than its predecessor. If the Tensor G4 follows suit, it could be a game-changer for Google's next-gen flagship phone. The current Tensor G3 chip in the Pixel 8 series lags behind devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, OnePlus 12, and iPhone 15 in terms of performance. Therefore, a significant performance boost would greatly benefit the next Pixel device. We haven't had the chance to test the Exynos-powered S24 yet, but based on reviews and user feedback, it seems that the performance gap between the Exynos and Snapdragon versions of Samsung Galaxy S phones is quite narrow this year. This is a positive sign for the Tensor G4, as it will likely deliver similar results when compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in other Android phones. According to Financial News, the next Exynos chip could utilize a 3nm process, which is currently the smallest available for mobile silicon. This is an exciting development, as it suggests that future Galaxy S phones and the upcoming Tensor chip in the Pixel 10 could take a significant leap forward in terms of performance. Now you might be wondering how fast the Tensor G4 will be compared to its predecessor, the Tensor G3. Rumors suggest that the Tensor G4, internally known as Zuma Pro, will feature the same 10-core CPU setup as the Tensor G3, with the notable change being the clock speed. Additionally, Google may enhance the chip with expanded AI capabilities through an NPU and improved power management. However, we'll have to wait until 2025 for the fully custom Tensor G5 chip, codenamed Laguna Beach, which is expected to be manufactured by TSMC instead of Samsung. In the meantime, we can anticipate the release of the Google Pixel 9 series in October, with the possibility of a Pixel 8 and a Pixel Fold 2 launching earlier this year. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Tensor chipset? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and stay tuned for more updates. Peace out.